So this is a bird dog. So onto all fours. Hands under your shoulders, knees are under your hips. You're going to take your opposite arm to leg out. So keep that core engaged. Thinking of a tray on your back so it's not moving. You don't want a tray of drinks on the floor. Sliding your toe and finger out. And you're going to go into a long line and then bring it back. So inhale. Exhale into one long line and then bringing it back. So opposite arm to leg. Keeping that core engaged. And that, my friends, is the bird dog.